Hey guys, something great happened today. I just picked up my Sony A7RIV Mark IV camera from the photo store, and what's even better is that Nauticam told me that my new housing for this camera is on the way and will be with me by post tomorrow. And that means I can take it diving, which is quite special because nobody in the whole wide world has this combination diving just yet, but I will. Since I already have the Mark II here and I have just about every single piece of kit there is, all accessories, macro lenses, macro ports, meter bones, glass ports, I have the WACP, I have the float arms, I have the monitor, a WWL, I have just about everything. I will be able to answer just about any question there is as regards to lens types and configuration for this system. And that's why I'd like to invite you to join my webinar Wednesday night at 8, where I'm going to show you some of the film that I hopefully did with this camera system at the same day and hopefully make us all a little bit wiser about how it's functioning. So if you'd like to join me, you can ask questions. I'll answer as good as I can. Wednesday night at 8.